The partner that snores is actually a really simple solution.
Most people actually snore due to the way that they breathe at night. That's because most snorers actually mouth breathe rather than nasal breathe, which is what you should be doing. If you or your partner snores, you need to try this. This is a sleep kit by Sleepflow. One small packet contains a month's supply of not only mouth strips, but also nasal strips. That means if you do struggle to breathe through your nose like me, the nasal strips of course will open up your sinuses, and the mouth tape will stop you breathing through your mouth at night. I started using these literally only a week ago, and apparently I haven't snored since, so if you have a snoring partner or snore yourself, then definitely give this a try.